Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore a hidden gem in London, Hyde Park. Now, Hyde Park isn't just a park, it's a whole experience. So let's dive right in. It's located in the heart of London, and it's a great place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. When you enter Hyde Park, you'll be greeted by a stunning, green oasis that's perfect for a relaxing afternoon. You can enjoy your picnic here. Now, let's talk about the atmosphere. Hyde Park is designed to feel like a secret garden, with lush greenery and a tranquil ambiance. One of the best things about Hyde Park is that it's also a great spot for events. They host a variety of events, from live music to private parties, so there's always something happening at Hyde Park. And last but not least, Hyde Park is a great place to watch sports. Hyde Park is a hidden gem in London that you don't want to miss. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of Hyde Park. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing London experiences. Until next time.